Hi, I'm Jamie from the People's Orchestra. So you want to join the Rusty Players Orchestra? This can be done in a few easy steps. Step 1. First, open your web browser and type into your search engine the People's Orchestra, and it should be the first result on the screen, or simply click on the URL link to our website in the description box below this video. Step 2. Next, once you're on our website, scroll down a little way till you see 4 big bright square buttons that represent our organisation. For the Rusty Players Orchestra, click the blue button. From there you will be able to read what our membership includes, what we're like as an orchestra, and the variety of support we offer to our members and the local community. Step 3. Next, scroll down till you find all the locations where our Rusty Players come together and practice. Have a browse and find an orchestra nearest to you. Step 4. Once you've decided on your orchestra, you're ready to sign up. Scroll up to the top of the page till you see a row of 3 buttons. Click on the Set Up My Membership button on the right. Then you will be asked to give your name, email address, your chosen orchestra and your primary musical instrument. There is also the option to join a People's Show Choir in your local area should you wish. Click Next and you'll need to select the right membership plan for you. Once you've decided, you can add it to your basket and proceed from there. If you are unsure about becoming a member just yet, don't worry. On the row of 3 buttons, click on the middle button to sign up for a 4-week trial with your local orchestra and see how you get on before starting your membership. If you have any questions about us or are interested in starting up a new Rusty Players Orchestra yourself, go back to the row of 3 buttons again, click on the left one and get in touch by filling in the boxes provided. We'd love to hear from you. We're excited you're joining us and hope to see you soon. Bye!